Hello, my name is Tai King. I am the Head of Industrial Cabinet Solution ICS. At ICS, we pride ourselves being your partner in control cabinets building, providing a one-stop shop experience, ensuring effective production of up to 100 cabinets within a standard market timeframe. Our team ensure that we deliver a top-quality solution, cost-effective sourcing, and also fulfill all customers' requirements, testing and inspection. However, this is not where ICS began.
Hi, my name is Ben. I've been here since 2013 and I'm the production manager for ICS. In the early days, it was known as Value-Added Centre located in Genting Lane. Those days, we only had 2 production tables to do the printing of markers and assembly of DIN rails. And in 2013, we achieved our ISO 9001 certification. Moving forward to 2015, we commenced the mass production of photovoltaic boxes. And in 2016 to 2018, we did cable harnessing and QR tagging. And most importantly, in 2019, we did our first industrial cabinet project in building technology.
In ICS, we ensure all the cabinet we assemble according to the drawing and BOM. We also conduct pre-FAT factory acceptance tests as per customer request. When problem arises, we will provide support to the customer during FAT. Assembly work involves mechanical installation like supporting bracket, mounting plate, and also electrical components like power supply and MCB, and also wiring and labeling.
Hi, I'm Norma. I'm production leader in VAS, Value Added Services. I'm here for almost 10 over years. In here, we provide markers printing for the customer and label printing for the DIN rail. Process of the markers, we have to print the BOM list, pass to warehouse for them to issue the material to us before we can do the printing for the customer. And this is the final packing for the markers to send to the customer. Now we go for the DIN rail. The DIN rail process is the same. The difference is we cut the DIN rail based on the drawing. Start with the 2 pieces sample for verification before we start the production. Once completed, we have to ensure everything is 100% QC, do the packing and send to the customer.
Hi, I'm Alan. I'm the project manager for ICS. Safety is also our priority, which is why we have achieved Safe Level 3 in 2021. And we didn't stop there. We have grown our expertise and now serve clients in diverse sectors like water, wastewater management, process industry, power transmission, and transportation, which include EV charging. To accommodate our growing operation, we have grown from 5,000 square feet to 11,000.
In the upcoming phase, we are committed to enhance our services to deliver a greater value to our customers. Concurrently, we will be investing in our people and forging strategic partnership and leverage automation to drive efficiency and innovation. Let us embark on this journey together.